Dr. Leads meeting, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Subject going to take us computer case. I'm going to take us remote login Telnet and the secure shell in. Is understand how the Telnet works, understand the role of inter-virtual terminal, what are the sub option and the negotiation. The Telnet enables the establishment of a connection to a remote system in such a way that the local terminal appears to be a terminal. Login will be terminal to terminal driver that sits in the operating system to the application. Client will be connected to through an internet, will be having the remote login. The same setup will be there. Pseudo terminal driver will be connected with the terminal server. So via universal interface is called a network virtual terminal. The telnet a client transfer characters that comes from the local terminal into NVT in the form and always to the network. Translate the data coming from NVT to the form. So you have the telnet client and server. NVT character set will be transferred. So the client request will be transformed to the telnet server through the NVT set, and then that will be given to the pseudo terminal. Data character starts with 0. Set of characters. End of file will be having 236 binary as well as end of record. So many options. It's a protocol for secure remote login, other secure network devices over an insecure network. So over an insecure network, we will be having a secure secure protocol. So it provides data confidentiality and it is designed in 1995 by Dr. Young in response to a password. Why we have chosen why the secure socket layer is needed. So it's password sniffing attack, replacement of remote login Telnet and SSH. So it is initially there is a freeware in July 1995. So at the time we have 20,000 users in 50 countries by the end of the year. They have found that SSH communication security in December 1995. So code become increasingly more proprietary. So it's one of the proprietary software. So they developed using that one. They have developed the revision of SS1. So SS1 is SS2 secure socket 2 designed in 1996. The security and the feature improvements. So open source implementations OSSH and OpenSSH created in 1995. So it's now open source secure socket is now obsolete. It's not existing at all. It's the most popular in those days in 2000. So how the protocol works? What may be the structure of the protocol? The layering of SSH protocol is a transport protocol, user authentication protocol, and connection protocol. So transport layer is present in network layer. Transport layer is a protocol obviously it provides server authentication, confidentiality and integrity. So user authentication protocol authenticates the client side user to the server. Connection protocol multiplexes the tunnel into logical channels. New protocols can coexist with the via max message authentication codes. SHA-1 and MD5 are multiple authentication methods, public key, password, host key, host-based extensive. Server tells client which methods can be used. Client picks the most convenient, provides a single authenticated channel to the client will be man the middle attack, denial of service attack, covered channel. Configuration files open SSH. It is stored in the file e/etc/ssh. You can have the SSH server configuration and the client configuration, private host keys, public host keys, list of known public files, ID, private authentication keys, public authentication keys, known host, list of known public host, authorized keys, list of allowed public. So far we discussed with Telnet remote login as well as secure socket layer. So I summarize the remote login. Have seen remote login, how the local login as well as the remote login look like. and how the how the network virtual terminal plays the role, and what are the capabilities of SSH, what are the protocols, what are the various attacks, and what are the possibility of having secure circuit layer. It's everything we dealt. The possible question is explained in detail about Telnet in the Telnet remote login in application layer. Discuss about the secure socket shell, secure shell. So thanks for listening. Thank you.